Welcome to Outgrow. In this video, we'll walk you through how to make your Outgrow content fully compliant with GDPR and CCPA, step by step. GDPR and CCPA are privacy laws designed to protect user data. They require you to clearly inform users about data collection, get explicit consent before collecting personal data, and allow users to manage or delete their data. Let's see how Outgrow helps you stay compliant effortlessly. Log into your Outgrow account. Click on your profile name at the top right corner, then go to Billing and Settings. Scroll down to the Data Protection section and toggle the GDPR setting on. Once enabled, Outgrow automatically activates key compliance features across your content. When GDPR is enabled, a cookie banner appears on your live content. This ensures that tracking only begins after users accept your policy. You can customize this message from the Configure tab to match your brand voice. For all lead generation forms, Outgrow includes a required consent checkbox. To edit it, go to the Build section and click on the Lead Generation tab. Under this, select the lead generation form you have already created. Scroll down to find Field 3, where you can customize the consent text according to your needs. This ensures users explicitly agree before submitting their information. If a user requests data deletion, you can easily remove their information. Go to the Analyze tab in the specific content piece, then click on the User Details sub-tab. Click on the cross icon to delete it. This keeps you compliant with user rights under GDPR and CCPA. Outgrow supports compliance, secure data storage and encryption, option to store data in regional data centers, controlled access to user data, and support for data processing agreements. By following these steps, you can ensure your Outgrow content is transparent, trustworthy, and fully compliant with GDPR and CCPA. Start building privacy-first experiences today. Create smarter, safer, and more compliant experiences with Outgrow.